Hello everybody, this is Chef Harpal Singh Soki and I'm going to show you how to make chili garlic chicken, and this is meant for bachelors. This recipe is actually for bachelors who want to make tasty food but have just started cooking because they have been pushed into a bachelor life and they've been staying in a hostel and they've been remembering their moms and they want tasty food. Now that's a challenge. The challenge is then how to cook tasty food. So I have derived a recipe just for you. Now chili chicken is something which all these Indian boys who travel abroad love. But when they go abroad, then they say, oh, how do I use soya sauce? How do I use chili sauce? How do I use vinegar? I've got roughly about 200 grams of chicken. I've got 4 tablespoons of green chili sauce, the one which comes in the bottle. Okay, now this is the taste. You cannot miss this. I've got some ginger chopped 1 tablespoon, garlic chopped 1 tablespoon. I've got some cumin seeds, half teaspoon. You can add 1 teaspoon for that matter also. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Salt, be careful because the chili sauce has salt in it. Okay, and then about loads of green coriander chopped. Now if you don't know to chop this fine, use a scissor, chopped it roughly as you feel like, and you require about 3 tablespoons of oil for cooking. So oil goes in here. This is going to make your life little better. 1 teaspoon, as I said, cumin, and you're going to love this. You will not fail when you cook this. Count 60. I mean, that's 1 minute. Next step is add garlic and ginger. So as the cumin browns, add garlic and ginger. And add a lot of it. You will enjoy it. And if you don't know to chop ginger garlic this fine, just use ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons is good enough for you. And to this, I'm going to add the chicken. Very simple recipe, and this you can have with bread, whatever kind you get. Just go ahead and enjoy it. Cook for about 5 minutes this chicken like this, so that your garlic also gets brown, the chicken gets brown nicely. 5 minutes. Okay, after cooking for 5 minutes, all the dry spices in. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon little bit of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So if you have a general spoon in your boys hostel, so the coriander powder has to be full, red chilli powder half, turmeric 1/4 of that, garam masala half of that. Don't add the salt now, you can check and add the salt later. At this point of time, just mix the spices with the chicken. Next step, add loads of coriander leaves, lot of it. The chili sauce, 4 tablespoons. Check if you want it more, you can always add more. For me, it is a nice green garlic chili chicken. It is not that green garlic, it is the green chili sauce that I am using, which makes it a nice green garlic chili chicken. There you see, the chicken is ready. Isn't it wonderful? And I am also ready. So you've cooked the chicken already for 5 minutes in oil along with ginger garlic, hence it will not take too much time, but still you can check the chicken by pressing here, and if you see that it is nicely cooked, then it is ready. So I see that it is cooked. So the reason I added a lot of coriander is to get this color. I would still love to add some more, make it beautiful, and just not for bachelors, for anybody who wants a quick fix, for a quick party that you have called for your friends. This is the chicken. Let me just check the sauce in case I require salt. Little bit, not too much. Namak shamak, but that's it. Not too much. And I am ready. Be careful with the salt especially. And there you go, the chicken. Oh, So finally some more coriander leaves you can add, you can avoid, and the green garlic chili chicken is ready for bachelors. For all the mama's boys who've been missing mama's food, Papa of food is here and I've cooked this chicken just for you. Go ahead and enjoy your life.